Hey everybody, got my Sport EFIS screen back from GRT in about 10-11 days. Got my EFIS screen back and not a bad turnaround. Again, they found a weak solder in there internally, so I'm going to plug it back in. We'll see if all my settings are still the same or not. If they're not, I did record all my settings before I sent it to them, so I do know all my settings, and I'll just have to duplicate all that all over again. But we'll get this plugged in, and hopefully tomorrow morning I go flying. So we'll see you just a little bit. Guys, flew today, got back, flew about 1.4 hours today, and Sport EFIS from GRT worked wonderful. Everything's back to the way it was before, and got some more speed runs in today, and some more fuel flow burn calibration test, and we'll go home and crunch the numbers on that. Change the gearbox oil. Again, this is number 8. Number 7, I went ahead and went 2 hours on that one because the oil was looking so darn clean I hated to waste it. This one, same thing, it looked pretty much like number 7. I did another 2 hours on number 8 here. Number 9's in it now, and as far as gearbox oil change. And I did run the engine pretty hard today on some of my speed runs. I did see a gearbox temp. Highest I've seen it on this particular gearbox is 220 today, and that wasn't for an extended period of time. Once I leveled back off, that's just during climb. Once I leveled back off, it kind of came down some, but it's still, you know, above 200, about 205, 207, somewhere around there. But yeah, everything's working great. The LED lights I had put in, the WigWag feature, I bench tested it and it worked great, but for some reason I couldn't get to work on my airplane. It's just, I don't know why. I could get the WigWag to work, but I couldn't get where the landing light's on initially, and then you cycle it really fast up and down the on-off switch, and then it converts over to WigWag. I could not get that feature to work on my airplane. I don't know why. All the other features work per the book, per the instructions. I could change patterns, WigWag, all, you know, no problems at all. I've been talking to Paul at Fly LEDs, and we can't come up with a good answer for that. Again, I went home, bench tested it, and it worked great on these other little LED lights. It wasn't the same LED lights I'm running on the airplane. But anyway, I talked to Scott up in Pensacola. Thank you, Scott. I got the bullet lights. They're supposed to be coming for my wing struts, maybe right there. I'm gonna get them installed. I ran some wires yesterday for it, so they're just gonna be WigWag exclusively on those. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. They should come here today. I'm pretty excited. Thanks again, Scott, and we'll see you guys next time.